Hello, welcome. Our current route is in Tokyo. Let's explore together. Food experiences in Tokyo can be found both in fine dining restaurants and delicious snacks available from street vendors. The city is the perfect place to discover the richness of Japanese cuisine. Each dish fascinates visitors with its unique flavors and offers the pleasure of experiencing Japanese culinary culture. From sushi to ramen, from traditional desserts to street delicacies, you can find many options that will appeal to your taste. Tokyo is the capital of Japan and one of the largest metropolises in the world. It contains both traditional Japanese culture and modern lifestyle. It offers a different experience to its visitors, with both its modern architectural structures and ancient temples. The heart of Tokyo is colorful and lively districts, such as Shibuya and Shinjuku. Shibuya intersection is one of the busiest intersections in the world. And when the green light turns on, thousands of people pass through the intersection at the same time. Shinjuku, on the other hand, is famous for city is a capital that is in constant activity day and night, and offers culture, history, and modernity together. Tokyo offers every visitor a unique experience and leaves unforgettable memories. This metropolis is worth seeing for its fascinating atmosphere. From Shibuya's iconic intersection to the glittering skyscrapers of Shinjuku, the city is filled with a constant flow of energy day and night. It is possible to feel the diversity of the city by moving between historical places such as Sensoji Temple in Asakusa and modern entertainment complexes in Dear viewers, it was truly an honor for me to give you the opportunity to take a short journey into the fascinating world of Tokyo today. Tokyo is not only the capital of Japan, but also a mosaic that combines culture, history, and modernity that is worth visiting. See you on our next route. Take care of yourselves. Thanks.